Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily turn off your online status on Viber. You can do it also the same way on Android and on iOS device. So you need to open Viber, and in Viber you need to go to more, and in more you will find settings. So go to third tab more, and here you will find settings. You just open settings, and in settings you will see privacy. So choose privacy, and here you will see share online status. You just click here, and so now nobody will see you online or not online, so your status will be disabled and no one knows that you are now online. So you know that you can change this setting once every 24 hours. Also you can turn off send scene status. It means that you turning this setting off will hide other scene status from you. So if someone send you a message and you also read this message, and your sender don't know if you see this, because his status doesn't change to seen, so he doesn't know that you read this message. So just click here to off it. Also you can turn off showing your photo, here you can see, and also that's all what you can do. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.